Hey everyone, it's Claudia here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this makeup for brown eyes look. I incorporated a lot of purples into this look because from my research and my past experience, purple has really been the color that has made my eyes stand out the most. And for someone like me who has dark brown eyes, it's really hard to get your eyes to stand out. So I found that purple is the color to use in order to get your eyes to really pop. So without further ado, if you want to see how I got this makeup for brown eyes look, then just keep watching.
Hey loves, so I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with my Maybelline Better Skin concealer. You can use any concealer, paint pot, or eye primer to prime your eyes. And this will just ensure that your eyeshadow stays in place all day, especially if you have oily eyelids like me. Next, I'm taking one of my favorite palettes, the ABH Modern Renaissance palette. I'm taking Tempera, which is a nude shade close to my skin tone, and I'm using that to set the concealer to make it easier for the eyeshadows to blend later on. For my transition shade, I'm taking Burnt Orange with the round blending brush, tapping off the excess, and I'm placing that in the crease of my eye. Your crease should be where your eyelid folds or right under your brow bone. I'm pressing the color into my crease first so I can map out where the color needs to be, and then I'm starting to swipe the color into my crease in circular and windshield wiper motions. I'm also winging out the shade to give my eyes a more lifted appearance instead of drooping the color down. Next, going in with Blonde Fresco, which is a grayish purple shade. I'm using a denser crease brush, and I'm placing that color in the same manner as I just did with Burnt Orange, but I'm placing that just a little bit below that shade to get that gradient effect. I'm blending the shade down towards the middle of my eyelid as well. Taking a clean, fluffy blending brush, I'm blending those two shades together to make sure there are no harsh lines. To lay a foundation for my purple eyeshadow, I'm taking this Annabelle Chrome Kohl eyeliner in Purple Daze, and I'm placing that on my eyelid, making sure not to go past the crease. The purple eyeliner will act as a base for our purple eyeshadow, making it pop even more. For my Urban Decay Vice 4 palette, I'm taking Harlot with an eyeshadow brush and spraying that with water to bring out the pigment and glitters in the shadow. I'm placing this on top of the purple eyeliner, and you can bring this eyeshadow up a little past the crease to make it look more blended instead of having it look like a clear-cut line. I'm doing this by flipping my brush upside down and dragging the eyeshadow upwards a little past the crease. Now I'm taking a little bit more of Blonde Fresco with my MAC 217 brush again and blending that shade in with Harlot. I also forgot to mention that I finally have a ring light now, so I'll be filming more videos for you guys, and I'm so excited, so stay tuned for more consistent video uploads. Next, I'm taking this Annabelle Smoothie eyeshadow pencil in Grapefull. I swear I'm not sponsored by Annabelle, but they make really nice purple eyeliners. I'm using this eyeliner to tightline, which means lining your upper lash line. Now I'm winging out my eyeliner with my NYC Liquid Liner. I originally wanted to use a purple liquid liner, but I realized that that wasn't wearable for most people. So what I'm about to do after is optional and can substitute for a purple liner that isn't too crazy out there. Make sure you let your liquid liner fully dry before proceeding with this next step. So the reason why purple works so great with brown eyes is because purple contrasts with the whites of your eyes, making it appear brighter and more awake. So by layering the purple liner on top of the black liner, it's not too intense of a purple, making it unwearable, but it will still contrast with the whites of your eyes and bring out the brown in your irises. Basically what I'm doing here is smudging and going over the black eyeliner with the purple eyeliner to bring some of that contrast back into the look and bring out our brown eyes again. Then I'm using a Q-tip to make my liner as sharp as a knife. Then I'm curling my lashes and applying Benefit They're Real mascara. I've fallen in love with this mascara over time because of how thick they make my lashes look while still emphasizing length. Go Benefit. Here I'm taking Tempera again, which is that nude shade we used in the beginning, with a small pointed brush, and I'm placing that in my inner corners to make my eyes look brighter and more awake. For lashes, I'm taking a pair of these Ardell Demi Wispies, and these are my go-to everyday lashes for when I want something more on the natural side, and that's me taking a selfie for the snap. After applying a light pink blush and some highlight, to tie in the whole look together, I'm lining my lips with a nude pink lip liner. Here I'm using Annabelle's lip liner in Demure and topping it off with NYX Lip Lingerie in lace detail.
Okay guys, so that completes my makeup for brown eyes tutorial. I hope you found this helpful and I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a like, comment, and a subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! It's Claudia and I'm welcome back because it just, it's on